Let's give it a little light. There's some boxes. Alright, we good. Let's tap in. Alright. Yeah, y'all can see the screen. Alright, good. What's up? Alright, let's come closer right here. What's up? Alright. Yo. What's good? It's your boy Vaughn Goals, and we back with another video. So today we'll be analyzing the market, studying the market, just doing basic, simple things we can find in the market. Basically, we can go over what is a pip, what is a lot size, how to enter the market, when to enter the market, and things in that nature. So I'll take any questions right now, and I'll try to explain the best I can. So how you said, how would you read the market? So the market has different time periods basically. So you got the higher time frames. So what I try to do is a top-down analysis, which a top-down analysis is this is good for all time frames because you just wanted to see how the market moves. So you got the monthly, even though we're not going to trade the monthly probably in 20 days or 10, it is still good to find structure where the monthly is at. Basically what I'm trying to say, because the monthly is a strong support zone. So it's like, say if we're right here, right, and it come down, it comes right here again, which it did, boom. Look how it's a stronger support than anything. So you want to try to keep like daily support zones at the monthly, because that's a strong point in the market where you know price will react and give you a high advantage of a win basically. So you mark the highs and the lows of support and demands of the higher time frames. That's why top and down analysis is good, because you can go through each time frame and see where the market is actually going. As you can see, we on the monthly, it's an uptrend. But every top down analysis time frame doesn't have the same direction. One can be going up, one could be going down. So you just have to analyze what time frame you want to trade and see which best fits your strategy. So as you can see in the weekly, this is where it's at now in this type. And as you can see, the daily drop right here from here to here. So I marked from the daily high to the daily low, basically, because I know at least price would have gave me 50% back, and which it almost did. Even if it wants to go back down, at least it's going to give me 50%. And you can try to follow the trend down if it wants to show you sell opportunities. As you can see, I didn't enter it, but I knew it was gonna go up. I didn't want to enter no trades because it was major news today, major news. So I was just playing around. But as you can see, I did win this trade because I knew price was gonna give me 50%, like I said. 50, like I said. Y'all remember? Hold up real quick. Dog barking. All right, we back. Like I said, 50%. $50. At least 50. Mm. 4 hour. Let's see the hour. You know he's gonna come back up to 50. That's why 50 is a good area. Because even support is right here. No, 50. Yeah, at least got to come back to here. That's what the market is telling me. At least minimum. That's what the hour is telling me. Oh, what top down analysis did for me? Told me the bottom monthly zone. It gave me the high of the day and the low of the yesterday. What did the 4 hour do? It showed me pushing momentum breaks, and then it showed me a retest. What did the hour show me? The hour showed me at least got to come back to here. Like I did that daily drop hard. At least come back when it drops like this. Most of the time, at least 50. Drop 50, 50, 50. And if it don't find a 50, that means it just don't find a 50. But most of the time, it at least come back 50 when it drop like that. Or if it don't, it's going to consolidate for a day and then go to 50. But it's major news today, so most likely it was gonna go to 50, or you keep dropping. You could go to 50, keep dropping, and go higher. Or it could keep going. If it go here, it could just go to its monthly buy zone, and that's where long-term buys come in. The monthly 4 hour could come to here. What do we find on the 15 minute? Mainly nothing, and you can see just a switch of trend on a 15, and then a 5 is your entry, as you can see. Repeated cycle, repeated cycle, repeated cycle. It's happened a lot on gold. Repeated cycle. You try to enter where the repeated cycle is at, and there you go. Simple as that. Just analyze the market, and it'll be golden. It'll be golden. Let's look at 30 now. So now let's go. We're gonna start from the beginning. What do we see? The monthly, at least it went down the hill. Most of the time it covers the wick. But it is a sell. So like you know how it wicks down, it usually cover it. You can cover it, it could come here, come back up. Oh shit. So it could come down to at least there. So we change this to come down to here. The week is telling me you could get a 50. Usually you always get a 50. That's why the higher time frames is good. You will always get a 50. So look, you got a 50. So just know a little bit more information about market will help. So you'll always get like a 50. You see? Always get like a 50. Even if it wants to go back up or down, no matter where the market is going. Last week you'll always want to get a 50. So you'll know the advantage is to sell. That could be one of your advantages. Just to find sell to at least a 50. As you can see, comes here. It went up. As you see, turn. It comes back down. Pull. Turn. You see, weekly just showed me it wants to pull back to at least here. So you go to your daily, you see the pullback. Boom. I could have seen this Monday and noticed, oh, okay. It's time for the pullback because the weekly, this is the higher high and the higher low. Want to see Monday, we want to see the pullback to 50. Like I said, that was a weekly. So Monday, we came here, we pulled up a little bit. Tuesday, you see as you drop back down. Because it's push, come up, push, at least 50. So, or why did I put this purple line here? Because it's a sell. It can at least come here too. That's if you want to have a higher RR. And that's what comes with information in the market. So 4 hour. As you can see, it's major news. So, don't like me. As you can see, it's still in an uptrend. So I would have looked for something in this. Instead of this, you close out the gap now because it's at 50. You close out the gap. See the price come back into the daily zone and at least get 50. Basically. At least 50. So buy, sell high and buy low. So it comes up to here. Let it come back in here. See what price does. And at least come up to here. And our support zone is right here. At least got to touch here. If it sells off here, that's a good sell. But price at least telling me it wants to cover this empty zone of an area. So we go to 4 hour and go to hour. You don't really see a bunch of pushes. But if it drops, we just don't enter. But if it comes back up, we enter. Hour. Like I said, even you come up to here and want to sell, oh, way down here. Like I said, down here, because why? Oh, look at what was it? The monthly. The monthly show us it wants to at least fill this out, basically. So don't be discouraged if price ever comes to here. That's what the monthly is telling us, and which is the stronger time frame. That's why you mark out the monthly. But as you can see, you want at least price to go here. What the other time frames is showing me. The monthly shows that it came 50. It can develop and just keep pushing. What it's telling me, if it keeps going down, it will come down to here. The weekly, that's what it's telling me. We go to the daily. What the daily is telling me, price could at least come back up to here and go back down. And if it comes here and goes back down, I could see it coming down to here. Or if it comes here and it goes up, it just goes up. You just have to see different analogies in the market and which one you want to take, basically, and which one is more confirmation. And you get statistics and analytics to see where you want to enter, sell high, buy low, different R to R ratios, different setups, different multiple analogies and analysis to see where you want to enter the market. So say if you got 5 things, hey, you see the 50%, you see your zones. It's just, yes, it's easier ways, but you wanted the best setups basically to win way more than say if you could draw your supply and demand zones. But hey, say if you do top down analysis, you ain't got a complex thing. Just notice how market is moving, where it's structured. That's why looking at all time frames is good. If you trade on 5-1, you probably don't never need the monthly, but as long as you know the sense of direction, it's always good to know more. Basically, now the daily showing me it wants to at least come back up to here. Look, it always gives you 50. Even if it jumps up, always give you 50. Jumps up, it just push up. Then you know it's too high because look, it push up, it push up. Just look, push up and never retrace back. Push up, push up. It at least got to come back to here because it never came back. As you can see that. So look, that's another analogy. It push back up to here. This is an empty space until it came back to here. It pulled back finally here. Basically, yeah. So you can see price. I would probably still want to sell or come back, but the moving average is showing me 100 moving average showing me it can still push up to at least here. And this price, like I said, the 100 moving average showing me still want to push, and this is sales, but price probably want to come back up here to touch the 100 and the 200 moving average. This would have been a good push right here up to here. It probably could do some fake outs, wick outs, because the 1 hour is not a strong holding point for the averages, as you can see. In 15 minutes, the moving averages is nowhere near. As you can see, it's strictly downtrend. But like I said, you would try to find some type of upwards movement. And as of right now, we don't see that. We just don't see it. Go to the 5 minute. As you can see on the 5 minute, you're starting to get a new break of structure. And you see on the 5 minute, new break of structure. Boom. So as you can see, So as you can see, what would you want to do? You go back now, monthly. So what the monthly is telling me wants to go down to here. What the weekly is telling me, it did its 50%. It can't go down to here. It could go back up. But the weekly is not over yet. What is the daily showing me? The daily showing me price can go back 50% up to here, and it's holding. So that's a up. What is this telling me? It's telling me it's a sell, but it had this big drop, so it might want to pull back. So, or it might want to consolidate here and pull. So the worst, why would I say the worst of buying is not a bad option? Because if you know it passed here, it just keep dropping, or it's just going to consolidate. Buy, at least it can come up to here. Better RR. As you can see on the hour, boom, boom, boom. So sure to turn on an hour, even though it's like I said, hour showing me it wants to buy. 4 hour, it's telling me it's a sell, but it needs to pull back basically because the market can't keep going down forever. Now 15 minutes. You can see price just keep breaking highs. You go to 5 minutes. Now you try to wait. You get something in here. To be honest, this is not really the best setup, but get something all the way up to at least here. Close out here. Or, like I said, the real goal is always here. That's a risk. But if you want to get a quick move, a quick B setup, this is a cool setup right here to me. This would be a cool setup. So, like, if you took this, you can't be mad at it. Now we go to Now we go to Us30. Enter the setup. We get a new pair. Hey. No. Oh, yeah. Boy eating some cereal. That nigga thought. Yeah, nigga eating some cereal. We just doing some top-down analysis on the market. Well, no, your boy eating a bowl of cereal. And these news didn't really affect nothing. So we might could enter a setup. We won't really looking at the setup, but fuck it. That's what, like I said, monthly, we got at least a little space to go down to here. The weekly showing me, then it can still come down to here. Most likely. Because it's giving me a strong push. It's not really doing this, it's doing more of a push. Let's see, probably something in here. Probably get a little sales in US30. We had a good support on the daily. I'm gonna keep this. Daily got a good support. On the 4 hour. So what you know, yeah, guarantee you, if price come here, you gotta look at here, which is 300 points. That's a good amount of points. If price come under here, it would at least go to here. Guarantee. Because that's what the higher time frame is telling me. All right, let's get back home. No, 4 hours telling me. Telling me it's not really telling me much of nothing, to be honest. It's telling me I want to stay under this. And if it wants to stay under this, you can find some type of sell. You're going to find some type of sell. Now it's telling me shit. 4 hours. At least how it could tell me it wants to come minimum. Yeah. And you probably could find some type of sell somewhere at least above here to get a better opportunity. Because if it come here, it's at least coming here. And if it comes here, somewhere around here, you can find a sell and then finish it off and gain even more points. So you just try to find. That's where I get the high RRs from, to be honest. I gotta look at the high time frame. So if I enter that 1001, I found that shit on a higher time frame to get a better advantage. Serial good. So yeah, we can see at least price come to here. If not, see price. So the hour is telling me it's pushing up. And you got the purple. And I said, look, even on smaller time frame, boom. Even if I'll say, like I said, it at least wants to come up to here. 4 hours telling me it's a downtrend, but it probably wants to retrace. 1 hour is telling me it's an uptrend, and it might want to come here because price was here. 4 hour telling me it's a downtrend until if it stays under here, it can go back down to at least here, and it could fill out to here. Daily is telling me 50%, so it dropped hard here, and usually it comes back to 50 most of the time. Majority of the time it comes back to 50. Sometimes it don't, like right here. It didn't come back to 50, but it comes damn near close almost every fucking time, as I see. And price is in the downtrend, what it's telling me. But price is respecting EMA. 4 hour, like I said, it stay under here, you're in trouble. 15. Well, the 1 hour is telling me is really telling me mainly nothing. Oh, that support is here on the 1 hour. That's the 1 hour wire. But it's 15 minutes telling me that it's a push up. You probably want to change character. And if there's a good support zone that is standing at, so you can probably buy somewhere around here. 5 minutes is telling me it passed this 200 EMA, and this is the support it can probably withhold, and this is the change of structure. And if it's hold this support, it can break up to at least here, a nice 2 to 1. And 1 minute is telling me this is a good one still too, basically. So yeah, that's what it's telling us. And like I said, we could have entered now. You could do stop loss if you want to enter. That would have been a trade out. This is a big trade I'll take. I'd probably take something like this. The Nas shit, this is the same thing I would have took. But I like the US30 one better. Oh my god. As y'all can see, price is doing what I wanted to do. And then another one I used to use is DXY. This is going down, as you can see. Price most likely will come up. See this overall going down right now. Most likely price could go come up. Dollar's going down. So yeah, that's all I got for today. And this should usually hit, and we just waiting for right now. I ain't trade today, man. I thought news was gonna affect the market, but if I did trade it today, the two setups I would have took on Nas and 30. as you can see right here. I took these two setups. Basically. But no, I should have traded today. Get this like I said, if I find another I probably won't find another setup, but if I do, I enter on the top tier. I'm low on that account anyway, so I don't really care. I'll probably buy one more. I'll probably get one more top tier account though. I had to start putting money in investments now, shit like that. Investment stocks, crypto, shit like that. Yeah, let me see. Let me see the Forex now. They said what's today, Wednesday? Because news was supposed to come out what 8:15 and 10 a.m. and now 10 a.m. Yeah. But yeah, it's more news too. It is more news. And so, but I thought it was really gonna move the market. If I knew that, I probably would have entered. But I could have entered this. It's just shit. I was just chilling. I ain't really I don't really care too much to enter today, to be honest. You know, I'm just analyzing the market today. Analyze the market, studying the market. So, like I said, I would have entered somewhere around here. Nice 2-to-1 RR. And you can even, like I said, the most I can find, what's this Nas, is here. Yeah, that's the highest I see it going. But like I said, you want the 2 to RR. You really want this right here, or you want this 9-to-1 RR. For this one, you want this, and you want this too. So that's a 7-to-1 RR. Yeah. So you choose. And then gold, like I said, gold. I already answered the gold. Could have got here and right here, like I said. At least 50%, like I always say. They came at least to 50. Boom. And it probably wants to go back down now, but at least gave you your 50. Well, it really didn't. I at least wanted to touch here. Really didn't. I probably would have been tight. But it went to 2, which is 2. So the 2 accomplished, we could put it to here. 2 is somewhere around here. 2-to-1 RR. Well, they at least hit here. It was 30. About to hit the 2-to-1 RR. And then Nas about to hit the 2-to-1 RR. And yeah, we would have been 3-0 today. You about to trade the 2 o'clock? Man, I know you like them news trades, man. I know you like the news trades. But nah, as you can see, it's gonna hit our 2-to-1 RR. Do I know it's gonna hit up here? Nah, but it's not possible. It's possible price can go there to get a better risk to reward. It is possible. Like I said, this is possible, and this is possible, or it could just come back down. Like I said, come back down and wants to come back. And here, with price is it at least wants to go 50. No, its price at least wants to go 50, if anything. But if it doesn't respect this already, I don't really care to buy. You just have to come on another day. If it doesn't respect this, You just have to end your trade and come back the next day. Respect. Now, basically, hit is 2-1. So we would have been 3-0 on live today, but we didn't take our trade. We just analyzed it. Yeah. Mm. All right. Now we good. You see, we just chilling. Yeah, you gotta fuck about the option trade. That ain't too bad. Man, if you trying to do like a Zoom, let me see. Let me see some what you do about that, man. I'm trying to lock in like some more about option trading. I know I just started investing, man. But money, because I had money in the savings. That shit was just sitting in the savings. So I was like, shit, let me put some money in these stocks. At least I can get little ass dividends and fucking extra percentage, low key. And crypto. Well, crypto I could just get a higher percentage. And crypto gonna keep dropping. I wanted to drop a little more. I ain't bought a crypto yet, but well, yeah, we just looking at crypto. And y'all can see Bitcoin dropping. New niggas are talking about why Bitcoin. Man, this shit too damn high. What you mean? So Bitcoin dropping. Let's go to the new one. So Bitcoin dropping. What's that? So Bitcoin, at minimum. Whoa. You want a US30 trade. We talking about Bitcoin now. We ain't worried about it. So at minimum, this is minimum to me. It was minimum. I keep fucking making lines. So at minimum, you at least want price to come to here. At least here. But it's gonna come lower than that. So like if I wanted to buy Bitcoin again, the lowest I would want it to come is at least here. But I believe it's gonna go lower. Or if you want to sell Bitcoin, at least it come to here. Basically, at minimum, it'll come to here. That's just minimum. I believe it's gonna go lower, but minimum price has to come back to here. At least here. There's too much empty space in this shit. It's too much empty space. It's just it wouldn't make no sense. So Bitcoin at least here, but we keep going. So Bitcoin at least got to come back to 53. Would it come lower? Probably. Fuck yeah, probably. But at least here. So that's what the monthly is telling me. The weekly is telling me if it closed weekly after this, it doesn't respect that. This. If it closed on that strong, this is breaking support basically. And it's a strong push, probably could get it to at least here. At least here. But that's what the monthly showing me. And this what it is. This is where it took off at. So this is another point of interest. So What the weekly and monthly is telling me from Bitcoin, I could at least get in here to here. What is the daily telling me? The daily telling me it's dropping. Daily telling me it's dropping. Um, like I said, I at least wanted to come to here. This is empty space. Market never hit. Like, so from here, from here to here, so from here to here, market has to fill in this. So you can at least get somewhat of a like, even if you want to sell, you can sell to at least here because guaranteed price might most of the time is going to here. So you could sell to here if you want to do Bitcoin. So we just know Bitcoin going lower. And this comes just from the monthly. So the monthly at least got to come to 50%. Weekly empty gap. Daily strong push of it, so it had to come back to here to retrace price because it was 3 strong days. 4 hour, we didn't get that far yet. So 4 hour, you get this. If you still want to sell and you're late, it at least got to come back to here. So I wouldn't sell unless it at least come back to here. Minimum. I keep saying minimum for a reason. Minimum, let price come back to here. 4 hour. That's what it's telling me. And let it respect this as it come back up to here. Let it respect that before you sell. So right now, I won't even look for buys. You can buy up to here if you're cold like that. At least buy up to here if you can tell price is still sitting here and wants to come up here because it can go down. But if he wants to sell, you'll wait for price to come up here. Girl. Sure. All right. That's for 4 hour. 1 hour telling me it's a downtrend. So it's telling me. You say sell on the downtrend, but we're already low, so there's no point in selling. So to be honest, shit, I don't know what you do. It's just telling me empty gaps. So empty gaps from really here. To mainly here. So this is an empty gap. Price at least wants to fill the empty gap. So like I said, if you want suggesting a buy, you can buy up to, like, if this would have been a good buy up to 50%. So let me slow it down for y'all. All right, so this 1 hour is telling me it can go 50%. Wow, I got too much purple lines. Oh, this is where it broke structure. So let's just remove this. Like I said, monthly, you want to go down. Monthly, you got to go in there. Daily, you got to go down in there. 4 hour, you at least got to retrace in this area if it holds from here. 1 hour, you got this big gap, which the 4 hour kind of told you the same thing. Got the big area gap. Got a big push down, so you at least know damn sure it has to come back in this area. And you also got 50 by 50, so it could at least come to here. 50 by 50, even if it wants to sell, that's where you would want price to come. So it almost hit the 50 by 50. It could wake up at least up to here. And then you'll probably want to get up to here. That's if you want to buy. In 5 minutes, like I said, it already, if it don't push, it just don't push, but it waked up almost at 50. So we're not really worried. And then support is holding this, and that's why I believe it could at least go to 50. That would have been a good. Yeah, that would have been good. So 5, you can see support. You can still come up to here and hit this 50 area in 5 minutes. I would want the EMA a little bit above this, so it can at least come up to at least here. So I want 5 EMA, 100 EMA, 200 EMA to be above to show me price is really in a bullish trend, so I can at least clear out this zone. And that's what I would want to see. So right now, 5 minutes is telling me this is support again. I want to take this setup and then we could maybe buy, but that's just Bitcoin. But overall, if people don't trade Bitcoin like this, I would probably just be in a sell. Just look for a quick pullback and then wait for a sell. But if you want to trade like right now, maybe pause. Maybe pause. So US30, it hit. I'll take profit. It hit our 2-to-1 RR. And now, Nas, shit, like I said, 30, what I tell y'all, 30 was more of a clean setup because, overall, it was bullish. This, like I said, Nas and 30, I would have rather took this trade. So we'd have went 3-1. Took this trade than this one because it's not really telling me it wants to go up. Well, it is, but the EMA is telling me it doesn't want to go up. But it does have empty space it wants to fill. But it might want to be patient. It might want to just keep zoning price. But other than that, we wait. But always told Nas to tell me, but you don't win them all. But it's a high chance you do win. Mm-hmm. And US30 gave us this big weight, so you know. At least like come back to break even. That's what I'll do. 201. And now that's it for this live. Thanks for joining. You see, I got the market taking. Let me see. No, I still got it selling. Don't get me wrong. No, like I said, why do I got it buying right now? Because I think it dropped too hard, so I gotta retrace up a little bit. But look, check this out. I got it like say if it retrace up. You feel me? I want price to go down to here. You feel me? Like, but right now I got it buying. Overall it's a sell. Don't get. I see what you're saying. Like I got me. I got sales and. But I think price at least gotta come to here, bro. At least gotta push up a little bit. Like me, I would have won 2-1 with these 2 trades. Can it come up to here? Nah, it can go back down, but I feel comfortable if price came up here and then I find sales to get like a better risk to the reward. Honestly, like if news pushed it up, I'll probably start looking for sales to push it back down. But yes, I do think price will go back down. Now I got it going down. But now probably I don't know if it can solid if it go down now, it just go down now. Right now I think it's gonna go to here or it's gonna consolidate and then drop back down. But I got it tanking too, bro. I just want to get a better like I said, I want price to come up to here so I could at least sell really get a crazy sell. Maybe because I want to get one more fucking long term hold for the top tier. So I want to get so I'll wait like days for this one. Something like I'm trying to get so I can come back in. But if I lose this one, I'm gonna just lose the account, or I could get some crazy shit like this. Find some crazy shit because I think price at least gonna come to here like a 10-1, basically. Somewhere I could find something in here. I could find some type of sell. At least up to here. Don't that look clean though? That look clean. Like I got like you seen, I got price selling for Nas and 30. Gold, I really got it buying back. Really. I got gold I got buying. Yeah, that's what I got though. That's it. I'm gonna end the stream. Good night.